What's going on, y'all? Giving y'all an update of the Karloff property, the 2-unit building that we fixing flipping. This specific property is 1 unit downstairs, and the upstairs unit is duplex up. And this is where I am located now. So we're gonna start from top to bottom. So the 3rd floor, 2nd floor is 1 unit, and then the 1st floor is another unit. So this is how the layout is. Let me pull it back some. Let me start from right here just to help you out. So this is downstairs. This will be going to the entry point of the 1st floor. This is the 2nd floor up here. So when you get to the 2nd floor up here, this will be 3 bedrooms. It will be 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedrooms. And up here will have 2 full bathrooms. This will be 1 bathroom when you immediately walk upstairs. We got our shower right here, right? We got our toilet, and we got our vanity right here in Chicago. As of recently, the cold copper lines have to be insulated, so that's why you're gonna see this all over the cold copper lines. Yep, but as you can see, we got our PVC, we got the main stack and everything up in this bathroom. The rough HVAC looking good. Electrical came through, so we're waiting on all our inspections right now. We already passed plumbing rough. Now we need to pass HVAC, construction, and electrical. This is the primary bedroom upstairs because it has a bathroom over there. So we got our closet over here, and we all see this. This is our fire rated 2x6s and drywall because we do have another property on that side, so it was required by the city. That's why it's red. A lot of people gonna be wondering why is it red. Y'all do know in Chicago everything is fire safety, so that's why we have to use, you know, this material, this conduit, which is very expensive. Yep. So this is the bedroom. This is the bathroom. We have our shower that's located right here. Got our shower. Everything's complete. We're gonna have a his and hers set up. His and hers, right? So we may have 2 mirrors. We may have 1. Wait. Let me introduce myself. My name is 𝐬𝐮𝐬𝐜𝐫𝐷 Jr. I'm a social impact real estate developer and a 7-figure entrepreneur. In the last few years, I've been able to scale my real estate portfolio to over 30 rental properties valued at over $6 million in just a few short years, all by leveraging credit. I've started a community, and I want to invite you to for less than $2 a day. All you have to do is text the word group to the number below, and I'll send over the details for you. If you find yourself struggling with removing late payments, collection, charge-off, bankruptcies, and different things like that, or you find yourself having difficulty getting approved for funding, let me work with you so that we can help you reach your desired results. So other than that, I don't want to hold you up. I want you to get back to the video, and I look forward to working with you in the near future. 2 mirrors or 1 mirrors, y'all let me know in the comments, what should I do, 1 mirror or 2 mirrors? And then we'll have 1 light going across. And then of course we have our toilet that's right here. And this will be the master bedroom or the primary bedroom. A couple windows in here, nice lighting in here, so definitely appreciate that. We have 2 bedrooms, this bedroom in the middle. I always need your window, but as y'all can see, framing looks good. They come with the truss system, so it looks nice. All rough, everything rough is good, solid. Got our electrical inspection coming up. And they just want to make sure for the electrical inspection that it's jam tight. They want to make sure all these holes is filled in, these knocked out. This will be our 3rd bedroom, right? This is our 3rd bedroom upstairs. We got our window. We got another window right here. We got a nice area, so you know you can put you a chair, a nice little table or something right here and really take advantage of this space. Or if you know a couple little bean bags and stuff like that, this will be the closet. Have some extra shelving in the back over there, so this will be your closet and your bedroom. Nice spacious bedroom that's upstairs as well too. So this property coming along. We just wrapping up a little framing right now and waiting on our inspection so we can do insulation, drywall, and close it up. That's he just rolling around. Y'all see he got the gear on, but as y'all can see, it's pretty grand in here. This will be our living room area. The kitchen will be right here. And this is what we call a duplex up. So this will be a duplex up. and it'll have a total of 5 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So really spacious unit, or the owner's unit, or you can rent it out and stay downstairs. It's just whatever you want to do, but it's a lot of open space. As y'all can see, it's a lot of open space framing. We had to go with the truss system, as y'all can see. So it's nice and neat. Over here, we have the utility room. We have the utility room right here. Then we have our bathroom. Then we have 2 bedrooms over here. So over here, we got a hot water tank set up, furnace. Everything is gonna go right here. Washer and dryer set up. Everything is going. You can put your mops, you know, just a bunch of different things up here. It's a real spacious room. We got our 2 bedrooms on this side right here. Spacious room, kids room, you know, however you want to look at it. Closets. We always add the extra space up top right there in some of our closets as well too. Right. Second bedroom. Got the extra space up top. Closet. Couple windows. A nice natural light coming in this bedroom. Nice size. And then we have our bathroom, tub, 5-feet tub, nice window. We got our toilet and our vanity, you know, so not a lot going on right here. Our porch, we should be getting our porch finished this, probably this week coming up. So we definitely waiting on the porch to get done, and we can start working on the back garage. I don't know what type of siding we're gonna do. If we're gonna match the siding with the building, or should we do white siding on this garage? Thinking about doing white siding, but we don't know. That's what unlocked, but concrete has been laid. You know, concrete looking pretty good, y'all. Porch is gonna be nice. We got our electrical in the back, so electrical crew came through. We got our doors in back here. Nice. A lot of progress. A lot of progress. We did get this property from the Cook County Land Bank for about $30,000. We're gonna put about $300,000 in it, so we're gonna be all in $330,000, $340,000. We're looking to list it for about $515,000, $520,000 or so like that. So these are stairs that's leading you out of the second unit. This is where you will enter the second unit going upstairs. This is the front door, and this is the first apartment right here. So this is a 2-bed, 1-bathroom down here. So you might rent this out or live in it. It just depends on how it is. Nice open space right now. This is your kitchen area. As soon as you come in, it might be hard to see. Refrigerator gonna go right there. Stove, microwave. As you can see, the setup's already there. This is gonna be an island. It's gonna be an island that's gonna go right here. So it's gonna be an island. And this will be like your hallway to walk through. This will be a hallway to walk through right here to your pantry, your storage room right here to the left. Pantry, you know, probably a coat rack or something like that. Extra storage space and all over there. You got your 2 bedrooms on the right. You got the utility room right here. Washer and dryer set up. Furnace, hot water tank. Everything will go in here. Framing nice and neat. As y'all can see, all of the rough guys came in. They got it going. This is one of the bedrooms. Definitely still got, y'all know we take advantage of that space up top. Yep. So things going pretty smooth over here. We already passed electrical, so that's good. Not electrical, but plumbing. We still waiting on the electrical in a couple weeks, and HVAC and construction, because we had a dormer up top. A dormer it was a whole addition that we had did up top. So, you know, just showing y'all, we got our headers on our windows. This the bathroom. Yep. So I'll go and show y'all the outside of this property. But just give y'all an update of what we're on right now. So outside, what updates we got? Let me show y'all some of the updates that we got outside. Some of the updates that we got outside, we got our new concrete in. Y'all see we got our new concrete in. We actually sanded the stone down. We got the new door. We're gonna demo this actually, but we like this indentation that's up here, so we're gonna have them fix this, because this side is leaning more than that side. So we're gonna have them fix this up, and we don't know if we should do the same siding should we leave it white siding, or should we make it the same siding as the dormer, which I will show y'all up top. Y'all know we got the sign right there. We got the permits in the windows. We got all the windows in on this specific property. We were still waiting on people gas to come put our meters in, but we already contacted them and they're gonna be ready for that. Building been completely tuck pointed. Looks good. Go right on this side a little bit so y'all can just see. But that's the dormer, and that's why we're gonna have the construction inspection up top right there. Make sure y'all can see it all the way back here. Yep. So now y'all can see it. So yeah, we was able to add 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs, and just really put that sweat equity in on this property by making that move. You always can go up. That's how you get the money. So come over here. We were supposed to do brick pavers, but we're gonna see what we're gonna do with this going back. We might just save it and leave it up for the homeowners. We don't know what we're gonna do. But entire wall fully tuck pointed. The HVAC guys is working. You can tell they're bringing the stuff out the walls. The vents are in, all of the vents. We start bringing our vents outside now, on the walls on the side versus the roof. We had a few problems with some leaks in the past, so we want to stay on top of that. We got our electrical guy, got our sconces gonna come in, so we're gonna have some nice lights on the side. But man, this property is coming along right now. Update's pretty good. The concrete came out amazing. I love it. No complaints whatsoever. But this property is looking good, guys. Definitely coming up. Hopefully we'll have it listed come June. Like I said, we got the new door already on the garage. We're gonna end up keeping that door, get a new window, change the siding, and fix the roof so this can be complete. But a nice property that somebody gonna get, a little oversized lot. We got the concrete laid, walking straight out the property. Always keep your porta potty on site, just in case you guys got to use the bathroom. But just giving y'all an update. But on this masterpiece, man, the tuck pointing turned out really amazing on the back. Y'all can just see it looks grand from right here. Boys, we put that siding up there. Really get this porch laid out. It's a masterpiece. Yep. So just giving y'all an update, man, today. Just giving y'all an update to where we at with it. I'm just excited to what's coming up. But just continue to stay locked into the channel. I'm gonna keep y'all updated with things, but keep just let me know what type of content y'all want to see more of or learn about the process. But once we finish with all these rough inspections, rough is anything before the walls, then we're gonna prepare ourselves for insulation, drywall, mud, and tape, and then all finished carpentry, and we out here. So hope y'all enjoyed the video. See y'all on the next one.